I created this full 3D animation video using 100% free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these 3D animation videos step by step using only free AI tools while keeping the same character consistent in every scene. But before we start building today's animation, let's first watch the final result that we created using this simple AI workflow.
Where did Doraemon go?
Don't worry. We'll find him.
He should be here. Doraemon! Doraemon! What if he's gone forever? I miss him so much. Hope never disappears. Let's keep believing. Okay, let's try again. Doraemon? Oh, yeah, I'm back! I found you!
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video. We created this full 3D animation video in just 4 easy steps. All the prompts and links used in this video are available in the description, so make sure to check them. And if you face any problem while creating this video, comment below. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Create the full video script using ChatGPT. First, we created the entire video script using ChatGPT with the help of a master prompt. The link to this master prompt is also available in the description. I open ChatGPT, then copy and paste my master prompt into a new chat tab. This master prompt already includes the full story details and all character details needed for the video. After pasting the prompt, I simply click Generate. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT creates my complete 12-scene 3D animated short film script. What ChatGPT generates for us, ChatGPT generates master character prompts, including my cartoon mouse character, the little girl character, and the third character, Doraemon. These 3 characters must stay consistent across the entire video. Then ChatGPT creates a 12-scene story breakdown, where each scene has its own prompts. For example, a text-to-image prompt for Scene 1, an image-to-video prompt for Scene 1. And in the same way, ChatGPT generates all 12 scenes, one by one, with text-to-image prompts and image-to-video prompts for the entire animation video. Now that we have our character prompts, let's start creating the images for this video. Step 2. Create images using Nano Banana. In this step, we create all images using Nano Banana based on the script prompts. First, I go to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Then, I open the first Google AI Studio website. Here, I select Nano Banana, because Nano Banana is completely free to use. Sometimes, if you don't see Nano Banana directly, go to the Models tab, select the Image section, and then choose Nano Banana from there. Next, I select the image aspect ratio as 16:9, because we are creating a horizontal video. Now, I go back to ChatGPT, copy my first character prompt, and paste it here. Then I click Enter. In just a few seconds, my first character image is ready. You can see the result. It looks really amazing. Now let's move to the little girl character. I copy the little girl prompt, paste it here, and press Enter. In a few seconds, my second character image is ready. Look at the result. It's very cute. Next, we create the third character. I copy the Doraemon prompt, paste it here, and generate the image. In a few seconds, the image is ready. You can see the result. It looks really amazing. Now, all 3 character images are ready. We will use these images as reference images to keep the same character style throughout the entire video. Now let's start creating the scene images, one by one. First, I copy the text-to-image prompt for Scene 1 from ChatGPT. I paste it here and click Enter. In a few seconds, the Scene 1 image is ready. You can see the result. It has strong expressions and consistent characters. If you are happy with the image, click the download button and save it. If you are not satisfied, click Rerun to generate a new image. Now we move to Scene 2. I copy the Scene 2 text-to-image prompt, paste it here, and generate the image. To save your time, we create the remaining scenes in Fast Forward. Now I have created all 12 scene images, one by one. Let's move to next step. Step 3. Convert scene images into video clips. Now let's move to step number 3, where we convert our scene images into video clips. First, I go to Google and search for Grok AI. Then I open the first Grok app website. If you are using mobile, you can download Grok from your App Store or Play Store. After logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. Now, go to the Imagine tab. Here, we upload our images one by one and convert them into videos. Right now, Grok is completely free. If you want to buy the premium plan, that's your choice. It's not compulsory. First, I click on the Attach File button and upload my first scene image. After uploading, Grok can automatically generate a video without any prompt. But we want better results, based on our video script. So I go back to ChatGPT. Copy my first scene image to video prompt. And paste it into the prompt section here. Then I click Generate again. In a few seconds, my video is ready. Let's check the result. This result is not perfect according to my video script, so I click the Regenerate button. If you are not satisfied, you can try again. Sometimes we get the best result on the first try, and sometimes it takes 3 to 4 tries. After a few seconds, the new video is ready.
Doraemon, where are you?
Now the result looks perfect, so I select this one. Next, I click on the 3 dots and choose Upscale to get HD quality. After upscaling, I click the download button and save the video. Now I go back and upload my second scene image. Then I copy my second scene image to video prompt. Paste it here, and generate the next video clip. To save your time, we create all scene videos one by one in Fast Forward. If you face any issue during this process, comment below. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. Now we have created all 12 scene video clips one by one. Let's move to the final step. In step number 4, use any video editor to combine all video clips into one final video. We use Filmora for editing, but you can also use free video editors like CapCut or any other editing software you like. Edit the video according to your needs.